How do I set up continuous paging in Word across different sections? Background. In a document I'm preparing, I have the following sections: cover page, table of contents, introduction, etc. Portrait orientation. The second section, some challenges, landscape orientation due to space limitations. Third section, some recommendations, portrait orientation again. I use section breaks to accomplish the different page orientations. Problem? While the section breaks work well for orientation, it looks like they throw off MS Word's table of contents, which starts over at page 0 for each section. Question? How can I get MS Word table of contents to ignore section breaks for the purposes of page numbering, so that I can have continuous numbering of my pages?
Figured it out. The key here is that each section of a document has its own page number configuration settings. Therefore, you have to set the page format within each section of the document. If you have a document, do the following for each section. In the section, click into the header or footer of the section. In the Header and AMP, Footer Design Tools menu, select Page Number and GT, Format Page Numbers ... In the Page Numbering section, select Continue from previous section. Once you adjust this setting for each section, your page numbers will again be continuous as you'd expect them to be. Note, this answer applies to Office 2013, and likely 2010-2007, but your mileage may vary. Edit by G. Derek Hodge. Note there is one limitation to be aware of. This solution does not work in certain cases if there are multiple sections on one page. If a page number looks to the previous section for its page numbering cue, but the previous section is in the middle of the same page, then there will be no page number on the bottom.
To expand on Sinkilin's answer, you can use Ctrl+A to select all content in the document, then navigate to the Insert tab, Header and AMP, Footer panel, Page Number, Format Page Numbers, Continue from previous section. This way you do not need to navigate to each section. I just did this in a doc with 127 pages, lots of formatting in 28 sections, all updated in one pass.
This answer is not for the initial user but for any subsequent users who wish to figure this out. It builds on the first response. In addition to what is said in the first response. Step 1. Click on the crotchet button to see the formatting tabs, returns and breaks. Scroll down to find the beginning of each section. Step 2. Select the page number at the beginning of each section. Look at the header-footer toolbar and check to see that the options of different first page and different odd and amp, even numbers are not checked. If checked, this will confuse the numbering of the computer. Step 3. Highlight/select and right-click on the number and go to Format Number. Check to see that in the first section, the option for Start At is specified as you wish, and in subsequent sections to see that the option Continue from previous section is selected. Step 4. Close Header and Footer and select/highlight the pages from the first section, excluding the cover page, to the last page that you wish to have a page number. Click on Insert Page Numbers and select the format you wish. This should give you continuous numbering. If you wish to have different numbering for different sections, For example, Romans in the first parts and Arabic numerals in sections that follow. Go to the particular section break that you wish to be your watershed break. In step 3 above, make sure that Start From is selected instead of Continue from previous section. In step 4 above, select only the first section and insert numbers in the desired format. Then select the next section and insert the second format that you desire. Finally, automatically update your table of contents, and there you have it.
In addition to seeing Colleen's answer, and to also fix the issue mentioned in the edit by Derek Hodge, the following macro sets the page numbering of all sections in the document to continue from previous section. This also fixes the issue of an unselectable section in pages that contain 2 or more section breaks, for example, when using continuous section breaks.